nung nakita ko ulit siya. After all this time, akala ko talaga sa sarili ko okay na ako. Akala ko, nakalimutan ko na. Akala ko, kung biglaan ko man talaga siyang
Hello kuya, may meeting mga guardians ngayon sa Genesis. Ikaw na lang umattend. Busy daw sila mama at papa eh. Huwag ka na tumanggi. Please, thank you.
Babalik pa ba ako doon? Ben, tagal naman. Jay, wait. Gusto ka? Buka. Tagal na naman, go. Kumain na. Antay lang eh. Mana? Punta ka lang pala. Ako nga pala. Kamar si Angel. Sige, ito na ako.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they...
Pre, yan sabihin ako sa'yo. Ay, wag na lang pala.
Sabihin mo na.
Parang ayoko na ipagpatuloy kung ano meron kaming dalawa.
Ikaw bahala. Relasyon niya yan eh. Teka, ano ba kayo?
Grabe. Walang nagbago. Parang nagbago pa rin.
Huwag na tayo mag-iwalay ulit, ha? Promise?
Promise. Sa wakas, magkikita tayo muli. Pwede bang itamanat this time? Promise?
Promise.